knowing that I wanted to go to the Philippines, and here, lo and behold, here's this Filipina in front of me. She liked my smile. I invited her for lunch, and I said, well, maybe in a week or so we can go to lunch. And your mom said, how about tomorrow?
Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Siguro ito na yon, iniintay nyo yung panahon na to. Okay, first of all, thank you po sa lahat ng mga patuloy na pagsusuporta natin sa ating channel. Medyo mabagal tayo, talaga naman ano, sobra talagang bagal. Fact check, medyo umuusad na po ang ating, how can I say, medyo umuusad po yung ating trabaho. Umuusad na rin po yung ating, how can I say, yung ating posisyon. I was able to open extra 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more accounts last week. And bumalik na po ako doon sa mga routes ko dito banda lang from where I am back to Indiana. Hindi pa po tayo nakapunta ng West Chicago and then Chicago area. Medyo mahina ang kalaban. Mahina ang kalaban po. May mga orders na po tayo. May mga suppliers na po tayo. Nagsa-cycle na po yung mga order. Unti-unti po dumadami na po yung nakakaalam na I'm back in the business. So most of them are saying, I think we feel good now that you are back. Kasi alam nyo guys, sometimes yung mga businesses na yon, they rely to you para nakunin yung product. Kunin po yung product sa'yo. Someone is knocking in our house. Merong gustong palitan yung bintana namin, yung mga ganon. Nagpapasensya ako, sorry, we are a renter, hindi po kami may-ari ng bahay. Ayun, okay. So, ang segment na to ay titled, Who is Tommy? Ay, kinikilig kayo. Okay, guys. For a long time, I was bitter. I was in pain. I was hateful. I was miserable. Sabihin mo na lahat. Ano? Kasi, syempre, dala ng previous relationship natin. When you move on, unti-unti, ito sa akin to ha, iwan ko sa inyo. When you move on, unti-unti, is you're opening up to yourself. You're loving. I think I was in denial and I was para kung galit sa lahat ng tao before. So, I thought na ako lang at ako lang at ako lang. Yun. So, hindi mo nga talaga matuturuan ang iyong puso, di ba? You cannot teach. I think I was healed in a process. Hindi ko alam kung kailan. But I think when I move out to where we used to live, parang hindi ko sinama yung past namin, hindi ko sinama yung mga naranasan namin. So nandito na kami dito sa lugar na nirerentahan namin in the suburb. It's a new environment, walang stress, walang away, wala lahat, and you heal naturally. So who is Tommy? OMG! Okay. So, Tommy po, isa po siya sa mga naging customer ko in the past. Okay? He is my really good buyer. Actually, when I was working in the past, maraming mga, yung parang naghihint, yung mga ganun. Pero I keep telling them, I have a husband, I have a husband, I have a husband. Pero wala po tayong husband, okay? I have to use, oh my husband. Para po na hindi po, how can I say, para po yung career natin is interrupt. But Tommy got through. Tommy got through. Okay. So it started na you know, pagka umu-order siya, he is so nice. He's asking some personal questions. Yung parang, how are you doing? So, minsan, ang sagot ko is, how am I doing? Iniisip ko, how am I doing business-wise or personal-wise? Okay? He has a very high discernment, siguro, no mga time na yon. That was last year. Tinatanong niya ako na, Pilipina ka? Sabi ko, yep, I am a Filipino. Sabi niya ganon. Sabi niya sa akin, the reason why I am asking, it's because I watch a lot of Filipino YouTube, and I think you are very smart, and I think you are very hardworking. Yung parang binibigyan kanya ng parang yung, hindi naman yung parang pang sugarcoat para na magustuhan mo siya, but you know, so the way na he observed me working, talagang sinasabi niya sa akin na iba ka, kasi mostly daw na mga nakikilala niya mga Pilipino are in the medical field. Bakit daw ako ay nasa sales? So parang sinasabi niya iba ka kasi you work hard, you have to drive all the way from places to places, you never give up, yung mga ganon. Tapos one day nagtanong po siya sa akin, sabi niya, are you free for your lunch? Sabi ko, hindi, kasi nandito ako sa mga area na to, malayo ako. Sabi ko, no, but thank you. Then he said, next time, let me know if you are in this area, I'll take you out for lunch. So in short, we were constantly talking, we were constantly having lunch, and it just developed over time na yung mga tipong nagugustuhan mo na siya kasi iba ang trato sa akin. I've never felt a treatment in my past relationship before except with him. He was so gentle. Tommy is super tall. So, pagkaitabi mo kaming dalawa, I am the midget and he is the giant. So, yun guys, so, namit po niya yung dalawang anak ko, yung babae, then, si Zoe. Sabi ko sa kanila, I want you guys to be honest, what you're feeling, and tell me no or yes. So,
2,000 years later.
We live together. Yan po ang ating story ngayon. So, we live together, and sabi ng nanay ko, nagustuhan ko siya kasi I'm not tiptoeing around him. So, he likes my mom, and my mom, ito spoiled siya ng mom ko. Kasi, pagka nasa trabaho, pauwi pa lang yung isa, nilulutuan niya na ng pagkain ng dinner, nakaready na lahat. So, yung ito naman, yung isa, ay talagang excited umuwi ng bahay kasi hina-expect yung luto ng nanay ko. Yung mga ganun, guys. So, parang sabi ko sa nanay ko, abay, parang siya pa yung paborito mo kaysa ako. Pag uwi ko ng bahay, wala akong makain. Pero si Tommy, may makakain. So, ayan. So, who is Tommy? Tommy is my partner. So, buto po ang nanay ko sa kanya. My mom said, there's nothing wrong about what you're doing. I'm trying to be protective for myself. In love ang ating lola. You know, hindi natin mapigilan. In love tayo. We fall in love to someone na I felt like I am being heard. I felt like I am being loved. I felt like I am being taken care. So, yun po guys. And, ito po yung mga videos I compiled from, from the people who knows Tommy. Yung isang anak ko ayaw magbigay. Sabi niya, I can't because I have no lashes. Yung may depression ko na anak, ayaw niya magbigay ng video. Well, I excuse her. The people who met Tommy and people around me, this is what they say. Okay, guys?
Who was Tommy and what was your first impression of him? My first impression of Tommy was he's tall. Describe him in 1 or 2 words. I would say that he's a friendly giant. What's your impression of Tommy right now? I would say he's a person with good morals and just overall a great person.
Who is Tommy? Tommy is Tommy. First impression is he's very tall. He is friendly and very generous.
Okay, so I have Zoe. Our segment for today is about who is Tommy. Zoe, who is Tommy?
He's my stepfather.
How do you like Tommy?
I like him very much because,
What Is he playful?
Yep.
Does he love you?
Yep.
Does he tickle you?
Yep.
Does he spoil you?
Yep.
Does he tell you no?
Every once in a while. Like when it's when I don't do anything for it. Usually if I get my Robux by allowance
Mm-hmm.
and stuff like that. And like, mommy does accept a lot of things about me.
Okay. So, what do you like most about Tommy?
I cannot choose.
What do you like most? A lot. Example.
I do like how he wrestles me. It's like, and I've heard that I'm getting better, but when I get better, he does slightly get better too.
Mm-hmm. What's the number one trait of Tommy that you like when you first met him?
So like, I don't remember that much. I was like 8. That was like a year ago. So.
Mm-hmm.
8 and still in 3rd grade.
Tell me about your experience when you went to his office.
So I was like, you made all this stuff? Something like that, I bet. And I also met some workers.
Uh-huh, some workers. Were you scared before when you met Tommy in the beginning?
No.
No? Mm-hmm. How did you describe Tommy to your dad?
So I think I already have done this before. He's I honestly don't know how to describe it, but like my father has in fact met him. I think my father already knows, so I don't need to do that. So next question. Like for all of this like ocean, with all of this like lakes and oceans that I could swim in. Yes, you know I love swimming. I mean, come on. I love swimming. I don't care if I don't know it. And it was like paradise.
Yeah. And last question. Describe one word if you say Tommy.
I would say something. I can't fully describe him in one word. Can it be like a couple words?
Mm-hmm.
It's like he looks like the type to be very hard on his children, but he's actually very sweet. Like a hard shell on the outside, but it's like those wax candies. Where like it's hard on the outside but sweet and gooey on the in.
So he's a gentle giant?
Yep, something like that.
Thank you so much for your time, Lovey
He
Dovey.
sometimes is a little bit like very bold, but
Is he strict?
like never too strict. He's the strict that I understand.
Yeah, you understand that it is for your good, right?
Yeah, it's a type of strict that like I'm okay with.
Who police you in shower time?
I think the viewers know.
They don't know.
I think they know now.
So Tommy police Zoe. There is a time of the day that she is scheduled for a shower. Okay? Thank you, Lovey Dovey.
See you.
Si Nanay. Okay, who is Tommy?
Si Tommy, marunong magpakisama sa mga tao.
Mm-hmm. First time mo na-meet si Tommy, ano yung impression? First time you met Tommy, what is your impression?
Nakita ko sa iya, mayroon siyang sense of humor.
Mm-hmm.
Tapos, hindi siya madamot.
Uh-huh. Now that Tommy live with us and you were able to associate with Tommy in the house, so nakita mo ang pakisama ni Tommy sa loob ng bahay. What do you think?
Ang na-feel ko, lain ang na-feel ko sa isa.
Ano mo ba ganun? Buto ka sa kay Tommy o kung hindi?
Boto.
Anong sa isang inamin mo? ang ex?
Oo.
Nga aman, ano ang ex?
Ano ko nagatihin, ano sa Ilonggo, sa Tagalog ang itihin?
Tiptoeing? You're tiptoeing? Oh. Wala na mahambal. That's all?
Sa pagkabudlay, ang ako nga translator, ang lain-lain ang ginhambal.
Okay, ano?
Super friendly. I just really like your facial expressions and the way you carried yourself. Just kind of intrigued me, and then knowing that I wanted to go to the Philippines, and here, lo and behold, here's this Filipina in front of me.
So, did I get you?
And I never really gave it another thought until one day, a few weeks later, I get this random text that she liked my smile.
She said it was you.
No! No, he said he thinks I'm cute.
said that.
No, I said no, Tommy.
Initiated it.
Oh.
So then,
Tommy wants me for lunch.
so we texted a little bit, and then I invited her for lunch. And I said, well, maybe in a week or so we can go to lunch. And your mom said, how about tomorrow? She said, how about tomorrow? And I was like, what? It's true. It's true.
Tommy, you were surprised I am too small?
You're not too small.
Really?
You're perfect
Really?
in every way. Mm-hmm.
But you don't think I have baggages?
No.
Okay. What do you think of Zoe?
I love Zoe.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, she's my little partner in crime. We fight, we wrestle, we lovey-dovey, we go out scootering. Yeah.
What do you think of my mom?
I love your mom. She takes care of me.
Yeah. she takes care of you more than she takes care of me. You have your lunch. When I arrive, I have no lunch.
She takes care of me and Mal. We're like royalty here.
What you think of my two girls?
Oh, they're great.
Or they're rebellious?
They're at a difficult age. I'll leave it at that.
Okay, Tommy.
A difficult age you are.
Dubai ain't got shit on the Philippines, I'm telling you. Dubai ain't got shit on the Philippines, trust me. Philippines is the place to be. Good people.
You are my lavandero? My lavandero for the day? It's because Angie is busy in editing photos and videos. Yeah, lavandero. Do you know what's lavandero? You don't know? Lavandero is a term in the Philippines where we use like you're the person who will wash clothes.
I'm not that guy.
What you just did, lavandero? Thank you for your service. I'm gonna fold them for you.
I'm sliding them out so they're not wrinkled.
Okay, babe, thank you.
It was kind of strange to go back to a car wash and drive through a car wash. I hadn't done it for years. Yeah. And that was kind of strange to drive back through.